Welcome to our guide on the urgency of saving in tough times. Economic downturns, like recessions, can be unsettling, often bringing job losses, reduced income, and uncertainty. That's why saving money becomes more critical than ever. It's about building a financial cushion to weather the storm and having peace of mind, knowing you can handle unexpected expenses. Saving is not just about stashing away large sums, it's about making conscious choices in your daily life. Understanding that small, consistent savings add up over time is key. It's about taking control of your finances and not letting your finances control you. When you save, you're not just securing your present, you're investing in your future. You're creating a safety net for yourself and your loved ones. You're building financial resilience that will empower you to navigate economic challenges with confidence. This guide provides practical, actionable tips to help you save money during tough economic times. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial well-being and emerge from challenging times stronger and more resilient. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Mastering your money starts with the power of budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial health. It's about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions about spending. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Note every dollar that comes in and goes out. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app, whatever works best for you. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, create a spending plan. Allocate funds for essential categories like housing, food, and transportation. Set limits for discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. The key is to spend less than you earn and allocate funds for savings. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life is dynamic, and your budget should be too. Be flexible and adapt to changing circumstances. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Slashing expenses doesn't have to mean sacrificing your quality of life. It's about making smart choices and finding areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived. Start by identifying non-essential expenses. Do you really need that streaming subscription? Can you reduce your dining out frequency? Look for ways to save on utilities. Lower your thermostat, unplug electronics when not in use, and consider energy-efficient appliances. Explore cheaper transportation options. Can you walk, bike, or carpool instead of driving alone? Every little bit counts. Negotiate lower rates for services like insurance and internet. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or explore alternative providers. The key is to be mindful of your spending and look for opportunities to save. Boosting your income is another effective way to enhance your savings efforts. Explore side hustles that align with your skills and interests. Freelance writing, online tutoring, or virtual assistant work can provide extra income. Monetize your hobbies. Are you good at crafting, baking, or photography? Consider selling your creations online or at local markets. Look for opportunities for advancement in your current job. Take on additional responsibilities, pursue training, or network to expand your career prospects. Explore gig economy platforms for flexible work opportunities. Driving for a ride-sharing service or delivering food can supplement your income. Remember, diversifying your income streams can enhance your financial security and provide a buffer during tough times. Technology can be a powerful ally in your quest for savings. Numerous apps can help you track expenses, manage budgets, and find deals. Explore budgeting apps that connect to your bank accounts and categorize your spending automatically. These apps provide visual representations of your cash flow and help you stay on top of your finances. Use price comparison websites and apps to find the best deals on everything from groceries to electronics. Set up price alerts to be notified when items on your wish list go on sale. Take advantage of cashback apps that reward you for your everyday purchases. Embrace the power of technology to streamline your financial management and discover hidden savings opportunities. Debt can be a major drain on your finances, especially during economic downturns. It's crucial to manage your debt effectively to avoid falling into a debt trap. Start by creating a debt repayment plan. List all your debts, their interest rates, and minimum payments. Prioritize high-interest debts first, as they accrue more interest over time. Explore debt consolidation options to simplify your repayment process and potentially lower your interest rates. Consider balance transfer credit cards with introductory 0% APR periods to reduce interest charges. Negotiate with creditors for lower interest rates or waived fees. Remember, tackling your debt is essential for freeing up more money for savings and achieving financial stability. Section 7. Shop smart, spend less savvy strategies for saving. Smart shopping can significantly impact your savings. Plan your meals and create grocery lists to avoid impulse purchases. Take advantage of sales and coupons to reduce your grocery bill. Consider buying in bulk for frequently used items, but ensure you have the storage space and the items won't go to waste. Compare prices before making significant purchases. Research online, check different retailers, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Embrace thrifting and secondhand shopping for clothing, furniture, and other household items. You can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost. Remember, every purchase is a choice. Be mindful of your spending and prioritize value over fleeting trends. Section 8. The psychology of spending. Understanding your money habits. Our spending habits are often influenced by psychological factors. Understanding these factors can help us make more conscious financial decisions. Impulse buying is a common pitfall. We often make purchases based on emotions rather than logic. Recognizing these triggers can help us resist impulsive spending. Social pressure can also influence our spending. We may feel compelled to keep up with peers or project a certain image through our purchases. Remember, your worth is not defined by your possessions. Focus on your own financial goals and values. Cultivate a mindful approach to spending. Ask yourself if you truly need an item before you buy it. Consider the long-term value and the opportunity cost of your purchases. Section 9. The ripple effect. Small savings, big impact. Small savings may seem insignificant in the moment, but they have a cumulative effect over time. Imagine saving just $5 a day. That's $150 a month and $1,800 a year. These small savings can add up to a significant sum over time. Think of it as a snowball effect. As you consistently save small amounts, your savings grow, and so does the power of compounding. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only save a small amount, start now and watch your savings snowball over time. Remember, every dollar you save is a step towards financial security and a brighter future. Section 10. Embrace financial prudence, reap the rewards. Saving money during tough economic times is essential for weathering financial storms and building a secure future. By implementing these practical tips, you can take control of your finances and navigate economic challenges with confidence. Embrace budgeting, cut unnecessary expenses, explore income-boosting opportunities, and leverage technology to your advantage. Manage your debt effectively, shop smartly, and cultivate a mindful approach to spending. Remember, small, consistent savings add up over time and have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Embrace financial prudence, make informed choices, and reap the rewards of a secure and prosperous future.